Hi, I'm Tim Flory with Atlas Brain and Spine, and today I want to demystify what NUCA is and why anyone who walks on the planet can benefit from it. So what is NUCA really? NUCA is an acronym for the National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association. It was founded in 1966 by chiropractor Dr. Ralph Gregory and based primarily upon the work that he and Dr. John Grostic did before John Grostic's death in 1964. This new style of an upper cervical, which means upper neck, correcting procedure was taught in 1966 at the first NUCA seminar, which was held of all places at the Howard Johnson Hotel in Monroe, Michigan. And it continues to evolve as a holistic form of healthcare today. And you're probably wondering, what is upper cervical correcting? The analysis and correction of the upper cervical spine focuses on the structural shift of a small bone where the head and neck meet, known as an atlas subluxation. Most of the time, this tiny misalignment causes no pain initially, but rather, like a small cavity, causes problems to develop over time. This atlas subluxation distorts the signals from nerve centers within the brain to the muscles along the spine that control the position of your entire spine and pelvis. If left uncorrected, the entire spine begins to shift from its normal alignment due to this muscular imbalance, causing further problems with the nerves exiting the spine. And this cascade of effects down through the spine starting from the top is a progressive and degenerative process. What good can it do for the body? NUCA can help the body return to stability and aid in healing of injuries from a variety of ailments. It also potentially will relieve a lot of symptoms for many common conditions that are generally thought to be as just degenerative or without any known cure. You see, the practice of NUCA both diagnoses and corrects the underlying structural imbalances in the body that are the actual cause of some of the daily pains or symptoms that you may be feeling day to day that are just merely covered up by over-the-counter or prescription medications. NUCA is a solution for natural healing without addictive pharmaceuticals, unneeded surgeries that may or may not actually heal properly, and even temporary injections into the body to relieve many of these symptoms. What types of symptoms, diseases, conditions can NUCA help offer relief for? Although not a cure-all, NUCA has great success with most types of headaches, inner ear problems like vertigo and Meniere's, facial pain like trigeminal neuralgia, TMJ pain, whiplash injuries and concussion injuries, problems through the spine like scoliosis, abnormal posture, forward head position, neurological problems like pain going into the arm, numbness and tingling, or maybe even the leg, irregular heart rhythms, anxiety, depression, dysfunction with the autonomic nervous system, gut dysfunction, as well as many others. How can you benefit from this hyper-specialized spinal correction procedure? Just about everyone can benefit from a NUCA evaluation and correction if necessary. Whether you're age 8 or 85, making sure that you have proper alignment and communication from the brain to the body through the spine is absolutely one of the most important things you can do for your body and your health. Why is this so important, you ask? And why would something so minuscule, like one bone in your neck, really matter? Because the spine protects the spinal cord, and the spinal cord and nerves act as a network of roads throughout your entire body and is connecting every last nerve, autonomous function, and electrical brainwave that controls everything we do as a living, breathing human being. And if that road is blocked or isn't clear, then just like a road full of potholes in New York City, you're gonna have a really rough ride, whether you're going 10 feet or 10 miles. It's not fun, I can tell you that. Who practices NUCA in this NUCA procedure? The practice of NUCA requires postdoctoral training. Unlike a traditional chiropractor, we don't seek to adjust or manipulate all of the segments of the spine at one time. The power of NUCA is both a strategic study and science of the body and its biomechanics, as well as an art to gently correct the atlas subluxation without any thrusting or abrupt force to the bones or the surrounding soft tissue. In fact, there's no twisting, popping, or cracking. With NUCA, we understand that our main goal is to gently put the atlas back into alignment, restore normal nerve function, and give the body more stability by balancing the weight of the head on top of the body, a position the body understands and wants to be in. So hopefully now you know what exactly NUCA is, what it can do, and how it can help you, your friends, or your family. And if you found this information helpful, or if you have questions about NUCA, then please subscribe here now. And to learn more about this life-changing practice, you can even go to our website at atlasbrainspine.com. Again, I'm Tim Flory. Thank you for watching, and remember, when you restore your brain, you heal your pain.